And I am saying, my lord, that this defeats the citizens' right to know about who is funding these political parties. In fact, my lord, in a recent judgment, the Central Information Commission has ruled that these 6 national parties are public authorities under the Right to Information Act. Now, unfortunately, despite that judgment, most of these political parties are not obeying that. They are not appointing information officers, which they are obliged under the RTI Act, so that people can ask them questions. We have in fact filed a petition in this court on the basis of that CIC judgment, as well as the RTI Act, as well as the fundamental right of people to know, etc., which is pending, which has been separated by this court. But I am pointing out that here you have completely made mincemeat of people's right to be informed about funding of political parties by introducing an instrument which today forms the bulk of donations to political parties. They are the bulk of donations to political parties today, this instrument. Then, my lord, 12 of the scheme says, huh? Yeah, theek hai, chodo usko. The bond can be encashed only by an eligible political party by depositing the same in their designated bank account. So these are the broad salient features of the scheme. That, however, these are bearer bonds, and as I said, my lord, even the person who has purchased it may just hand it over to another XYZ, and that XYZ may give it to the political party, and therefore the political party can also turn around and say, I don't know who gave me this electoral bond. Somebody came and gave it to me. I don't know. In fact, I have been the recipient myself of, there was this register of the CBI director. Somebody came to my residence at night and gave me 2 volumes of the residence register, original register of that CBI director. And actually, I didn't know who is that person. There were these 2 people who came and gave it to me. But when I looked at the register, I could make out that this has to be original. Nobody can fabricate these kind of details. The time, date, car number, persons, and so on, visiting the CBI director. And on the basis of that, this court then ordered an SIT to be constituted because he was being visited by several people who were being investigated by the CBI at that point of time. But I'm saying that sometimes I get information from people whom I don't know. But I know that this is authentic information because I can make out by looking at it that this has to be authentic. In that case, my lord, initially the court asked me to disclose who gave you the register. So this was a petition by CPIL. We held a meeting of CPIL and we decided that, of course, I didn't even know, but we decided to take a principled stand that whistleblower has given it and we can't disclose the name of the whistleblower. So I'm saying that a political party can easily turn around and say, we don't know who has given it. Somebody left it.